Welcome back to Lady Enchantress Garden and Travel. You are here in my garden here in Sikihor Island. And I was just out for 2 weeks because of some errands and medical appointments in Cebu City. And then I'm back here to show you what I'm preparing to grow in the next few months, second half of 2023. So we have my unhappy cucumber. So I started 2 weeks ago before I left, and then this is how they are now. The leaf miners got in, so we will tackle that. I am having my second batch of spring onions, which I've was actually been planting since I don't know forever, so I'm just using that also for my day-to-day food and soup. This is my strawberry. Look, when I left there was still no grass here. For 2 weeks the grass went crazy. This is my strawberry that I tried to propagate. Now they all went so crazy. I discouraged this strawberry from fruiting because I want them to focus on propagation. I think we have a lot of runners here. You see, those are runners coming from these mother plants. So I'll show you. So this is a strawberry. It has a runner here. You can see that, and it ends there. And then there's also one here, and the other one is already dead. You see, it's starting to grow some roots inside. So yeah, I will repot them because they look so sad right now. And this is my watermelon, because why not to try watermelon this time? That is actually another watermelon. They are all crazy here since I was preparing this for a raised bed, but then the worker that I asked to work on this one did not show up, so I think I'm just gonna do this myself. My poor little tomatoes. I've harvested already a few of the fruits, and this is a batch for that one. We've got no problem, and we have, I think, yeah, a few of, where was that? On the other side. I'll show you my temporary compost bin that is now an urgent task to do. Also, I did not plan to have the seedlings to grow there, so we check that out. And by the way, I'm not supposed to do this today. This is supposed to be not an urgent task. This is supposed to be the urgent task. My adansonii, this is one of the most expensive plant there is in the plant world. It's like a variegated Monstera adansonii, and look what the grasshoppers did while I was away. Yep, it munched it, and it was burned in the sun. So I'm gonna tackle this, and I'll show you the compost bin, which now becomes an urgent situation. Okay, so now we're here in the compost bin. So you can still see some peels here, because I just throw in some like empty shells of nuts and some peels under it, and then I left for 2 weeks, and this is now what happened. This is now the onions. So I threw in some old onions, and then they are growing up. I have also a tray of onions somewhere, but this one is like, from the scrap I threw in, and then just voluntarily was growing here. They look super healthy though, these onions. Okay, so I will segregate that, and maybe I will document how to plant an onion. I was just pulling out some weeds. This is also a spring onion that I threw in, and look at these very healthy tomatoes. Like, this is just from the tomatoes I throw in from the kitchen scrap. So 2 of them are very healthy, which is very good because my tomatoes are determinate, so they are now ready to live in this world. And I have 2 ready to plant tomatoes. This is my ZZ Raven. The story behind why is it here in the compost bin, I'll tell you soon. And this is a galangal, which is from the family of the ginger. So if you're familiar with tom yum soup, the ginger like ingredient there is not really ginger, but that's galangal. So this is a galangal, and this looks like another watermelon. Why is my brain lagging? And this is surely a pepper. So I'm not sure which pepper variety is that. I just throw in the compost. I just make it as a compost and throw in everything from the kitchen. So probably one that I am, one of those peppers that I am using could be an achal pepper or a pimiento pepper, or it could be like a spicy pepper. So we'll see. This is not supposed to be a task, but I think right now it is, because I think I need to remove them to make it a more conducive for the worms. I hope the worms are still alive here to still be a compost pile. So because I don't want to waste like really organic materials from the kitchen and just throw them away in the garbage. So this is what I was using, and then I was gone for 2 weeks, and this is what happened. So, and the avocado did not dissolve. It's just dried out. It's weird. Anyway, I'll give you update of this food garden probably in 3 months. So we'll see how are these guys doing. That's it for now.